o'clock and we are in Interlaken today, which is called a city of lakes because all the lakes are connected to each other in any ways. And it's a very beautiful town. There are small and narrow streets which we are loving, which we can see and find in Switzerland anywhere.
And again, super chilly and windy.
Yes.
Right now the temperature is 14 degree.
Yes.
But the thing is, it's super windy.
It's very windy, that's why we are feeling very cold.
Not very, but
yeah,
good
but
atmosphere.
it's cool. So we are going to explore
We'll explore this city.
We are still exploring the city of Interlaken. It's extremely beautiful and there are few attractions in Interlaken. If you're in Interlaken, if you like to do paragliding,
adventure activities,
yes, adventure activities, there are a lot of options. First of them is paragliding,
which costs around 170 Swiss franc.
Yes, it starts from 170 Swiss francs and there are many adventure activities like whitewater rafting, skydiving, bungee jumping,
so many activities.
Yes, cliff jumping as well. Everything starts from 170 Swiss.
500.
Yes, still 500,
72.
550. Yes. So it depends. If you are a complete package of adrenaline rush, then you should try either of these. Also, there's one more famous attraction of Switzerland in Interlaken, which is
Jungfrau.
Jungfrau. Yes, it's extremely beautiful.
It's called the top of the mountain.
Yes, and Jungfrau, the word means Jung means young and Frau means lady, so it means young lady. And the top of this place, it's very beautiful. If you step on it, you will feel that you are actually on top of Europe.
थिंग इज हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. यहाँ से ट्रेन जाती है माउंटेन में. उसकी कॉस्ट है भी अराउंड 150 to 200 स्विस फ्रैंक. वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट क्योंकि फ्लेक्सिबल रेट्स होते हैं सीज़न के हिसाब से. एंड वहाँ से ज़बरदस्त सीनरी होगी.
Yes, beautiful. If you want, if you can spend, if you have time, then yes, you can go to Jungfrau. Yes,
It's a one-day program.
Yes, but a very beautiful lifetime experience. You should do it if you have time. Unfortunately,
Yes.
we don't have time. We have to go to some other city of Switzerland. So yes, here we go now, and Interlaken was beautiful.
Amazing.
Beautiful.